Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you a really cool tool that I just found. And also since we have finished our programming fundamental part of the programming course, I'm going to give you some practice that you can work out and to refresh on what we have learned for the past 5 or so classes. So let's talk about this tool first. It is called the Google Classroom. Um, I'll be distributing our class videos on there and practices, and we'll be able to discuss um, ideas or class materials on the Google Classroom. So let's check it out. I'm not using my instructor account right here, so you will be able to access the Google Classroom that I created just by following the step that I do here. So let's go inside. And if you come in, you will be able to see create or join your first class. And you just click join class code. I'll be pasting the class code below the video. You just need to copy and paste the code inside here. I have it already copied, so I'm just gonna paste it here. Join. And just wait a second. You'll be able to see the entire course right here. So these are everything that I have posted. These are like a blog, and you will be able to just write something to share with your class as well. You can write, so I have a question, and write your question. Also, you can check out the classwork that I have posted. These are the two practices I just posted, and there are the earlier class videos that you should have seen earlier. So it's a pretty cool tool. I hope we'll enjoy using it and you will find it useful while learning programming. So let's check out the practices. So I have uploaded 3 different code trace files, and you can click inside and check out the file. So that's the practice I want you to do. And I also have an instruction for doing the code trace practice. What we are gonna do for the code trace is to basically you would go through the program and write out in computer or by hand what it is gonna print on the console. Some of you might never seen this before. This is called a module. You would be able to import a module by using this import command. And after that, math is like a Python library, and it contains functions and values that is preset and you will be able to use right away. So in this case, we are using the math.cell function. It is a ceiling function. So a divided by 3 is a floating point number, and the ceiling function is find the smallest integer that is greater than the floating point number. So what you would do is to write out what this entire program prints, and then you can copy this code into your Python or other Python IDE and run the code to check out if it matches with whatever you wrote on the paper or in your computer. And then there's also coding problem. Coding problems are simpler to understand. Simply, I'm asking you to write a function that does some specific things. So let's check it out as well. For the first one, I want you to write a function that calculates the distance from 2 points. The first point, oh sorry, it should be x1, y1, x2, y2. I have it correct here. So I'm asking you to write a function to calculate the distance from x1, y1 to x2, y2. You can simply uncomment this line and write after it. And after writing the program, you should write your own tests to test out if your function works or not. For the other code writing, I didn't write the function name right I didn't define a function name for you, so you will be able to do that on your own as well. So that's all. Hope you enjoy doing the practices and see you next time.